Hello friends, welcome to Anis Academy. This is the third video on the topic average. In the previous videos, we have learned how to calculate average quickly for n natural numbers, and in the second video, we have learned how to calculate the average for consecutive numbers. In this video, we will be solving the average problems based on age and weight. Okay, so let's start this video. So before we solve the problems, let us learn an important concept. So this is regarding the formula. We know the formula of average is, so AVJ is equal to, we write the sum of the numbers here and count of the numbers here divided by count of numbers. Now what we will derive from this formula is, if you want to find out the sum of the numbers, then we can multiply the average and count. Okay, so using this formula we will be solving our problems based on the average problems based on age and weight. So let's see the problems quickly. So here is our first problem, friends. In this problem you can see the average age of 10 students in a class is 20 years. If a new student is also included, then the new average age of all the students is increased by 1 year. So the age of new student is, we have to find 4 options given. So here, as we have learned the formula, the sum of the numbers is equal to average into count, right? So average age of 10 students is 20 years. So the sum of 10 students age is 10 into 20, which will give 200, is the sum of age of 10 students. Now if a new student is also included, so 10 students are there, one more student is included, it will become 11. And what is the average? So the new average of all the students is increased by 1. So average was 20 years, average will become 21. So it is 21 here. Okay, so now if we multiply this, we will get 2, 3, 1. So this is the sums. This is the sum of 10 students age. This is the sum of 11 students age. So if you subtract from 231 200, what we will get? The age of new student. So age of new student is 31 years. Okay, which is, this is the answer. So this was the usual method. Okay, and here the numbers are very easy, so we quickly we can multiply and find. What if the numbers are big? So I will tell you an easy method. How can you find it using a very easy method? So in the easy method, what we have to do is, we have to just write the numbers what is given here. So you can see the average age of 10 students. So we have 10 students. For 10 students, average age is 20 years. So for 10 students, 20 years. Now what is happening? A new student is also included. So 11 students, one new student is included, it becomes 11. And one new student is included, the average is increased by 1 year. So average becomes 21. Okay, for 10, 20, for 11 students, 21. Find out the difference between these two. So the difference of these two is 1 year. And similarly find out the difference between 10 and 11. So this is also 1. Now what we have to do is multiply this 10 to 1. So it will become 10. And multiply this 1 to 21. So this will become 21, and add this, it will become 31. So 31 is the answer. This is the easy method, friends. So let us solve one more problem using this method. So here is our second question, friends. In this question, let us see, it says the average weight of 24 wheelers is 180 kg. If an old car is removed, here we are removing from this group of 4 wheelers, the average weight is decreased by 2 kg. Weight is decreasing. So the weight of the removed car is, what is the weight of the car which is removed? So if we solve using the method, old method, we can say 20 cars, average weight is 180 kg. So what is the total weight? So number count into the average 180. So this will give 8 into the 36 and 20. So easy, we can multiply. But one car is removed, so it will become 19. Earlier it was 24 wheelers, and then now one four wheeler is removed, so it is 19. Then when we remove the one four wheeler, average weight decreased by 2 kg. So the weight is 180, it becomes 178. Now you have to multiply this. So here this will take time, okay? And if you don't have so much time in competition, so definitely here our easy trick will help you to solve this problem quickly, okay? So instead of solving by this method, let us solve quickly using the easy method, okay? So what we will do in the easy method is, as I showed you in the first problem, we will just write the numbers. So 20 cars and 180 kgs. Okay, now we removed one car, so it becomes 19, and the average is decreased by 2 kg, you can see. So it is 178. Find out the difference of this. So here you can see the difference is 2 kgs. Find out the difference between these two. So the difference is 1. So we will multiply 20 into 2, which is 40. Easy multiplication, right? And we will multiply this 1 into 178. So this becomes 178 only. Now just add this. So if we add, it becomes 8. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 and 2. 218. We got the answer. Very easy and very quickly. Hope you like this trick, friends. Please like the video, and now we will be solving one more problem. So here is the third question, friends. In this question, let us see. It says the average age of 6 servants in my house is 28 years. New and young servant replaces an old servant. So here in this sum, there is a replacement. Okay. Then the new average age reduces by 1 year. So the age of the new servant is. So here, if we solve using the shortcut method, what we can write is 6 servants. Okay. Average age is 28 years. Now there is no addition or removal, it is just replacement. So number of servants is same. Okay, new servant is replacing the old servant, and the new average age is reduced by 1 year. So this becomes 27. Average was 28, now it is reduced by 1 year, so we wrote 27. Okay, so now here if you see, the difference is -1, and here the difference is 0. Okay, so if we multiply 6 and -1, it becomes -6. So here the it cannot be -6. Okay, so in this case what happens, we cannot, the answer will be cannot determined. Why? Because in this type of questions, always remember to find out the age of new servant, or if it is asking the age of old servant, they should give one more age. Here it is asking the age of new servant is, so they should give the age of the old servant, then only we can determine. Otherwise the answer is cannot be determined. So what if the age of old servant is given? So let us assume the age of old servant is 31 years old. Okay, who has left. So in this case, if you multiply 6 minus 1, it is -6. So just this 31, what we can do, 31 minus 6 we will do, which will give 25. So 25 years is the, very easily we can find this, still using the same technique. So 25 years is the age of the new servant who has joined the house. Hope you have enjoyed this video, friends. Please watch the first and second video also based on the average. I am sure that you will like that video also. Okay, and like this video, share it with your friends also, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.